Guys, I never thought about actually walking across the Brooklyn Bridge because I never really cared, but I'm here in New York and meeting a friend and he wanted to walk across, and I said, what the hell, we might as well check it out. So if you're here and you want to walk across the bridge, I had no idea that there were this many people walking across the bridge every day. So look how packed it is. It's a weekday around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And this thing is completely packed with people. I'm very surprised. This building with the narrow windows is a telecom central office building. Used to be AT&T, now it's Verizon. This is the Pearl Street central office. A lot of new buildings going up around here. So I've never seen that building before. That's the Manhattan Bridge. That lets you off on Canal Street. Pace University. And one of my friends who works down here, who also never walked across the bridge, seems to think it's like a whole carnival or circus atmosphere up here with all kinds of vendors and clowns juggling balls and people cooking zeppelis and stuff like that. Yeah, I haven't seen any of that so far. You just see a lady selling some churros or something. So I guess there's only one walkway here. There's nothing on the sides, whereas some bridges have walkways on both sides, like the George Washington Bridge, which I've walked over and rode a bike over. 59th Street Bridge, I think has two, used to have two roadways on each side where you could kind of ride your bike or yeah, most of them have double. Pier 17 down there. So, what's pretty funny is all these people that are walking across this bridge are probably tourists who have never lived in New York. And I lived in New York a very long time, and I never walked across this bridge or went to the Statue of Liberty. Everybody taking their Instagram photos here from different choice spots, I guess. I guess that's one of the more popular ones we just passed back there. How thick are these cables? I say it's about as thick as one of those Mexican cucumbers, those thin long ones. It's about the same as that. And a little shaky. Just shake it a little bit. Look at that. Oh, we have to go one more of these? Yeah. So, I was under the impression that this bridge was under a mile long, but my friend looked it up and it's 6,000 feet, so a little more than a mile, something like that. That's the South Street Seaport, right?
Yeah, that's the seaport.
Yeah, so that's the South Street Seaport. There's all kinds of restaurants and stuff over there. Oh, here's a few vendors, but I don't see any jugglers or 3-card Monte tables or anything like that. Got some mangoes. So some nice scenery from here for sure. So walking from Brooklyn to Manhattan is also a nice view, so I thought I would add this to see maybe you want to start from Brooklyn and go to Manhattan, or walk from Manhattan to Brooklyn, stop at a bar or restaurant in Brooklyn and then come back. There we got a helicopter over there. And another one behind it. So, I don't know, it says this bridge is a mile long, but it doesn't really seem that long. It is a nice, pleasant walk, and it's not really a steep slope walking up or down. So, definitely most people can do this walk, no problem. So guys, I'm at the first concrete post or whatever. There's another one behind me. I'm actually quite glad that I took this walk because, like I said, I lived here such a long time and I've never walked across here, and I didn't know how crowded it was with people that want to walk across. So I'm very glad I have come over this bridge, and if you are in New York, come check it out. It's right by City Hall or the World Trade Center. It's a short walk. So if you're around, definitely come do this walk. You won't regret it. I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.